The generals long shadow Chiwenga's military power. Constantino Chiwenga is a powerful figure in Zimbabwean politics. He is the current vice president, but his real power comes from his past. Chiwenga was the commander of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces for many years. He has strong ties to the military, and this gives him a lot of influence in the government. Chiwenga is a strategic thinker. He uses his military connections to his advantage. He has placed loyal officers in important positions within the government. This ensures that his orders are followed. His influence extends beyond the military. He also has allies in key bureaucratic roles. This network of loyalists gives him control over many aspects of the government. Chiwenga may not be popular with the people, but he doesn't need to be. He has the support of the military, and this makes him a force to be reckoned with. He understands how the military works and knows how to use its resources to get what he wants. This makes him a serious threat to President Mnangagwa's hold on power. Mnangagwa's challenges, opportunities for Chiwenga, President Emerson. Mnangagwa faces many challenges. The economy is struggling, there is a lot of corruption, the people are unhappy. These problems have weakened Mnangagwa's position. Chiwenga sees this as an opportunity. Chiwenga is patient. He is waiting for Mnangagwa to make a mistake. He is ready to pounce when the time is right. He is quietly building his own power base. He is gaining support from those who are dissatisfied with Mnangagwa. Chiwenga is a shrewd politician. He knows how to exploit a situation to his advantage. He is using Mnangagwa's weaknesses to his benefit. He is positioning himself as a potential replacement. The missed step, the 2017 transition. In 2017, Zimbabwe faced a turning point. Robert Mugabe, the longtime president, was under pressure to step down. He had lost the support of the people and the military. In a surprising move, Mugabe reached out to Chiwenga. Mugabe reportedly advised Chiwenga to take control. He believed that Chiwenga was the only one who could ensure a peaceful transition. The meeting was shrouded in secrecy. Father Fidelis Mukonori, a Catholic priest, was present. South African envoys also played a role in the discussions. Despite Mugabe's plea, Chiwenga hesitated. He did not seize power at that moment. This decision continues to baffle many observers. Did he miss an opportunity, or was it a calculated move? Section 4, ZANU-PF, a game of power. ZANU-PF is the ruling party in Zimbabwe. It has been in power for decades, but the party is deeply divided. There are many factions vying for control. Chiwenga is a master of this game. He knows how to make alliances. He is not afraid to betray his allies if it benefits him. He understands the importance of loyalty. But he also knows when to be ruthless. He has survived within ZANU-PF for years. This is a testament to his political skills. ZANU-PF is a complex and dangerous world. Only the most cunning and adaptable can thrive. Chiwenga has what it takes to come out on top. Section 5, the uncertain road ahead, Zimbabwe's future. Zimbabwe's future is uncertain. The country faces many challenges. The economy is in shambles. Unemployment is high. There is a shortage of basic goods. People are struggling to survive. The political situation is also unstable. The opposition is weak and divided. ZANU-PF is more concerned with internal power struggles than governing. The military still wields considerable influence. It is unclear what the future holds for Zimbabwe. Will the country descend into chaos? Or will it find a path to stability and prosperity? Only time will tell. Section 6, Chiwenga's gamble, a risky power play. Constantino Chiwenga is a gambler. He is betting on his ability to seize power in Zimbabwe. He is using his military background and political cunning to his advantage, but it is a risky move. If he succeeds, he will become the most powerful man in Zimbabwe, but if he fails, he could lose everything. He could face exile, imprisonment, or even death. Chiwenga is playing a high-stakes game. The stakes are even higher for the people of Zimbabwe. Their future hangs in the balance.